We guide you through how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal in simple and secure way. First thing you need to do is open the PayPal app or log in to your PayPal account on the website. Then, go to the crypto or finances section. Select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies and tap buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase, review the current price, fees, and transaction, then choose your payment method such as your PayPal balance or linked bank account. After confirming, complete the purchase and PayPal will instantly add the Bitcoin to your crypto wallet inside the app. You can track your balance, view price changes, and sell or hold your Bitcoin anytime. Buying Bitcoin through PayPal is beginner-friendly options that lets you invest without needing an external crypto wallet.